Stephen's Old Village Restaurant, Lynna's Grill, Chili, Mike's Chili, Sam's Chili, J&J Restaurant, J&J Restaurant, Thelma's Diner, J&J Chili, Poppa Slims, Chili Time, Santorini, Cretan's Grill, Wright Family Restaurant, Deli Chili, Sunnyside Grill, P&S Restaurant, West Side Chili Parlor, Demetrios IV, Nick and Tom's Restaurant, Gold Star Chili, Moon-Lite Chili, Blue Ash Chili, Pleasant Ridge Chili, Price Hill Chili, Empress Chili, Dixie Chili, Park Chili Parlor, Gourmet Chili, Camp Washington Chili, Skyline Chili.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.